Here we will write a program to display cost of a rectangle plot using inheritance. First we will declare one class rectangle. In this first class we will calculate the area of a rectangle, and in another class we will calculate the cost of a rectangle plot. So in class rectangle we will declare two variables, length and width. Then we will declare constructor with two parameters, L and W, and we will assign these constructor parameters to our local parameter. So this dot length equal to L and this dot width equal to W. Then we will declare method get area to calculate the area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length into width, so we will return length into width, and we will display length, width and area of rectangle with another method display. And here in console.writeLine we will print length, then width and area. Since we are returning the value of area from getArea method, we will call here getArea. Then we will declare another class rectangle cost, which inherits class rectangle. Here we will declare variable rate, and we will declare constructor rectangle cost with parameter length, width and rate. Length and width value will be inherited from our base class L and W. And here for local variable this dot rate we will assign constructor variable. Then here we will declare method to calculate the cost, public double cost calculation. To calculate cost we will declare one variable cost, and we will assign cost equal to getArea method from our rectangle class into rate, and we will return cost. And after this, to display area and cost of a rectangle, we will define another method display one. First it will execute base class display method, and then it will print console.writeLine cost of a rectangle plot. Here we will call cost cal method. To execute this in another class main method, we will create object of our this class. So here we are going to accept length and width of a rectangle plot and also rate. So we will declare three variables L, W, R, and we will accept of these values from user. So in console.writeLine we will accept it. Enter length of rectangle plot. In L we will accept it by converting it to double console.readline. Then we will accept width of a rectangle plot in W, and we will accept rate of a rectangle plot in R. Here we will create object of our rectangle cost RECT, and we will execute display one method from our rectangle cost, and we will execute it. It will ask length of a rectangle. I will enter 500, width of a rectangle 10, and rate will be 2000. It will print length, width, area and cost of a rectangle plot. Here first I declared class rectangle, in which I have accepted length and width, and I declare one method getArea to calculate the area of a rectangle plot. Then I displayed this length, width and area. Then I declared another class rectangle cost, which inherits the rectangle, and here in constructor of rectangle cost I declared three variables L, W, length, width and rate, in which length and width are inherited from our base class, that is rectangle class. Then I have calculated in costcal method and I have displayed this.